Hi guys! Today we're going to learn some new vocabulary words to help us understand while we're reading our new story. Your first word is mess. Say mess. If something is a mess, it is not neat. Look at the girl in the picture. She is making a mess while she's baking. Sophia is making a mess while she bakes. I make a mess when I bake too. There's flour everywhere. There's water when I wash the dishes. I am not very neat. Think about times when you make a mess. When are times when you are not neat? The next word is market. Say market. A market is a place where people buy things. Think about things that you could buy at a market. What's something you could buy at a market? Can you buy juice at a market? What about fruit? What about eggs? Milk? Yes, those are things that you can buy at a market. The next word is sell. Say sell. Sell is when you give something to someone who gives you money for it. So the children sell lemonade to the people in their community. When you sell something, you are giving somebody something and they are giving you money for it. Sell. The next word is help. Say help. When you help, you make it easier for someone to do something. So the little boy in the picture is helping his dad with the dishes. So when you help someone, you make something easier for someone else. Think about a time when you helped someone. What did you do to make things easier for someone else? The next word is neighbors. Say neighbors. Your neighbors are the people who live near you. They could be people that live next door. They could be people that live down the street or just simply in the same neighborhood as you. Some people who live in the country, like Miss Fisher, do not have a lot of neighbors that live nearby. The last word is set. Say set. When you set something up, you make it so that it is useful. Look at the children in the picture. When they set up the tent, they made it useful. What are they going to do with the tent? That's right, they're going to sleep in the tent. They're making it useful to sleep in. If they just leave it laying on the ground or in the bag, it's not very useful, right? You have to set it up so that it can be useful. Set. Now you're going to choose 3 of those words and you're going to draw a picture of them in your journal and write the name of the picture underneath of your drawing. So when you stop this video and you go get your journal, how many pictures are you going to draw? 3. That's right. You're going to draw 3 pictures of 3 of these words and you're going to label it with the vocabulary word. And then you're going to take a picture of it and then you're going to turn it in to your teacher.